Welcome to Health for Happiness channel. Today I'm gonna make moong dal and quinoa as dal. Original recipe was different, but as I don't have all the ingredients and my mom will not buy any, so I will make my own recipe and I don't know the results. But anyway, I will make quinoa because quinoa is quinoa and the health benefits are so much. Those who don't know what is quinoa actually, for those, quinoa is actually a seed and it's used as a grain. It has lots of health it has lots of health benefits, like it has all the complex protein which our body needs, so it's a complete meal and you will love the taste as well. But I'm not sure about today's recipe. Let's go to the kitchen and see what I will make today without any You can see quinoa and moong ki dal is cooking on the stove and the heat is medium. I just added a little amount of chilies and salt to the taste, and when it becomes tender and I'm waiting for the water to evaporate completely, then I will add seasoning tadka into the dal and let's see how the result will be. I'm back with the results, but I don't like the results. I'm not satisfied with the saltish quinoa. I like it as sweet dish, but for me, in salt form, I'm not satisfied. It is a big no-no for me. Maybe I didn't follow the recipe properly and procedures properly. Next time we will try to follow all the procedures in a right way. But for the time being, complete disaster. Though the taste was not that bad, but it's not my cup of tea, so sorry, I'm not continuing with the recipe. You can try at your own risk.